Meaning of glad hand.
Glad hand.
Glad hand.
Glad hand.
Glad hand. Glad hand is a term used to describe someone who is excessively friendly and outgoing, often in an insincere way, for the purpose of gaining favor or advancing their own interests. This behavior can be observed in various situations, such as in politics, sales, or networking events. Glad-handing can be seen as a strategic practice to create connections, build trust, and ultimately achieve one's goals. However, this behavior can also be perceived as fake or manipulative, leading to mistrust and alienation from others.